Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome if you're watching on onespotmedia.com. We begin with news that the mayor of Montego Bay, Leroy Williams, is now in hospital following a motor vehicle crash on the Iron Shore Main Road in St. James this morning. Our reporter Kelisha Williams, who is in Montego Bay covering Reggae Sumfest, visited the scene of the accident.
So I'm standing on the Iron Shore Main Road, just a few meters away from the popular Blue Diamond Shopping Center. My cameraman Glenford is going to show you what's happening here. So as you can see, the tractor trailer is still here. It's been here for hours now. It's actually 4 o'clock. And as you can see, it's fully stocked with building blocks. But it's unable to leave because some of the wheels on the right side of the vehicle, they are damaged. A mechanic is also here trying to get the vehicle back on the road as quickly as possible. But I was told it will take some time due to the extent of the damage. But just walking through the area, I can see pieces of shattered glass scattered all over and debris also under the truck, which just show the extent of the damage to the other vehicle in which the mayor was traveling. Now, I was told the reason why the truck was here early this morning, it developed some mechanical issues. So it has been here for hours now. When I checked with the mayor's team, I was told that he's stable and he's responding to treatment. I was also told by the police that this is the third accident which happened in the St. James Police Division early this morning as persons made their way home from the popular Reggae Sumfest music festival. So I will be in the area and I will continue to monitor what's happening, and I'll have more updates in subsequent newscasts. It's back to you guys in studio.
Now, still on.